Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some mashed sweet potatoes with marshmallow topping. My son Daniel, this is his absolute favorite dish that I make. So I'm going to dedicate this video to him. Hopefully he'll like it. Also, when he's going away to college next year. This way he knows exactly how to make it. So that's actually more important to me. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Please leave your comments down below. Over here, I have a bunch of sweet potatoes. I've peeled them. I've rinsed them off, and I've cut them, you'll notice, right about a 1/4 inch thick or so. You want them all to be the same, so when they cook, they'll cook relatively even. And I'm just going to put them in a pot right now. And I'm going to boil this. I'm going to bring it up to a boil right now. Like I said, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, and then we'll go through all the ingredients. I will list all the ingredients in the description down below. Thank you. Yeah. So our sweet potatoes are done cooking. How do you know when they're done? When you can take a spoon and kind of mash it pretty easy and it mashes fully, it's done cooking. So that's the first hint, or first sign. What we're gonna do is, I have some light brown sugar. Actually, yeah, it's probably pretty good. I have some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and a drop of salt. And I will list all the ingredients down below in the description. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna mash this. And we're just gonna take a whisk it up. Now, you can serve this as is. It's ready, it tastes good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in a pan. I'm gonna put some marshmallows on top and melt the marshmallows in the oven, make it real yummy. So I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven, and see you soon. So our sweet potatoes with marshmallows just came out of the oven. You'll see it's nice and brown. I'm gonna put it on a plate. It's probably in for 10 to 15 minutes, not much more, at 375 degrees. I'm gonna put it on a plate and show you what it looks like. So I put it on a plate. It looks a little lonesome, because normally it's a side dish, so it goes with other things. But that's okay. I really want to try it. Delicious. Anyway, so I liked the way this tasted. I thought it was fine. David, my cameraman, thought it was a little bit sweet. So in the recipe, I'm gonna put down like a less amount of sugar and the amount of sugar I actually used. And what I suggest is maybe try the lesser amount first. And if you like it, go with it. If you think it could be a little bit sweeter, feel free to add more sugar. So I will put that down in the recipe so you see exactly what it says. Thank you for watching. You're welcome. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Leave your comments down below. Be safe, everyone. Thank you.